A very happy new year to everyone and welcome once again to my channel Let's Tech Ready. I wish this year brings all the happiness that we missed during tough times in 2020. Beginning this year, I will be posting weekly tech news video with major headlines from all over the world. Sony's next generation PlayStation 5 gaming console, which was already launched last year on November 12 for few regions and November 19 for rest of the world, is finally ready to get sold into Indian market. Sony has already sold more than 3.4 million units of PS5 in the first month of launch. However, PS5 launch in India was mostly delayed due to stock issues. So if you are a fan of console gaming, you can now pre-order PS5 from January 12th from major online retail stores of India, while the official launch of the console is announced as February 2nd. The digital edition of PS5 will cost Rs 40,000 and the standard edition with a disc drive will cost Rs 50,000 in India. While India is ready to upgrade to 5G, it appears that there are still some customers who are relying on 3G mobile connectivity. Vodafone India, which is now rebranded as Vi, has notified their customers in Delhi to upgrade their services from 3G to 4G connectivity by January 15th, or else their voice services will be limited to 2G only. Vi customers now have to visit stores to upgrade their SIM to 4G. Flash Player, which was launched in 1996, has finally been called off by its creator Adobe. Flash Player was one of the most demanding and essential software to bring animations to the web or playing popular online games. After Adobe announcement, the original version of the popular farming simulation game Farmville, which was launched in 2009, has also been taken down from Facebook by its creator company Zynga. Adobe had asked its users to uninstall Flash from their system to prevent any security issues. Beginning 1st January 2021, Jio customers in India can now make free calls from their Jio numbers to non-Jio domestic mobile numbers. This announcement has been made by Jio after Telecom Regulatory Authority of India or TRAI has abolished the interconnect usage charges. Because of these IUC charges, earlier in September 2020, Jio announced their unlimited plans will not include free calls to other mobile operators and gave 300 to 12,000 FUP minutes depending on the price of the prepaid plans. While on the other hand, Jio major competitors were still providing truly free unlimited calling over any network. Jio, which is already the leader in overall subscriber count in India, will surely gain new customers after this recent development. Google has confirmed that they are working on a new feature that will aggregate short videos from two popular apps, TikTok and Instagram. The short videos from these platforms will get displayed directly in the search results, and clicking or tapping on them will open the web version of Instagram or TikTok. Thus, users don't have to open separate apps to watch videos. Since TikTok is banned in India, it's unclear whether video results for these platforms are going to be visible or not. LG announced that this year they will be unveiling their new next generation of televisions at the Consumer Electronics Show. LG claims that this new series called QNED will be used in their premium 8K and 4K televisions. QNED TV series will come in a maximum size of 86 inches and combines the mini LED backlighting, quantum dot technology and LG's nano cell technology into one. Mini LED is a new technology that uses tiny LED lights that allows for better brightness control. Unlike the traditional LED technology, this allows for better contrast levels and less intense halo effects on the screen. So that's it for this week tech news. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, while we all welcome this new year with new energy.